And welcome back to the Medical Hub. It's been quite a while since last we touched base, but it's good to have you back and to see you around. I've been getting questions from medical students, from medical interns, and when I talk about medical students, I'm talking about those who are doing pharmacy, those who are doing medical MBCHB, those who are doing nursing, those who are doing medical laboratory science, and any other medical profession. And most of them were asking questions on, are there any other opportunities aside from the clinical setting that seems to be crowded, where we can put our craft into practice once we've graduated or once we are done with the internship? And my answer to that has been a yes, and still there's more that I can add to that particular answer. And so I decided to do a series of videos that will be covering the different cadres, just to explore the different career opportunities that are available for each that are not clinically oriented. And so we begin with this video, and in this video I'll be looking at non-clinical career opportunities for pharmacists. So if you're interested, stick around. Most pharmacists often think of their career path within the walls of a pharmacy or the hospital setup. But what if I told you that there are many other areas where you can put your skill and knowledge into work, and it's not only valued, but also it's a key to success. And one such area is the space of medical sales representative. Medical sales representatives are important in the healthcare ecosystem. They are the bridge, or the important bridge, or the important connection between pharmaceutical industries and healthcare professionals or healthcare practitioners. And pharmacists, having the skills and the knowledge in drugs and medicines, are well positioned to play this role effectively. Now let's talk about why being a medical representative is an exciting career option for pharmacists. One is that it gives you an opportunity or a platform to utilize your pharmacy knowledge. As a pharmacist, you are well trained, you have a lot of knowledge on medication and medicines and their use, and having that knowledge gives an advantage to be easily trusted by medical or healthcare professionals, and this will give you a cutting edge to excel in this particular position. Number two is that being a medical representative will give you an opportunity to build relationships, and not just any other relationships, but meaningful relationships. Pharmacists are excellent communicators. That is one of the skills that they are taught in their undergraduate, and being a medical representative will give you an opportunity to deploy that particular skill in building meaningful and valuable relationships with medical professionals, which will work to your advantage. Three is that being a medical representative offers you flexibility and autonomy. I think many people want to escape the 9-to-5 routine, and being a medical representative sort of positions you for that, because you'll be in charge of your schedule and your territory. You'll be given targets, but how you meet targets is up to you. You can decide to work 2 hours a day, but as long as you meet the target, you can decide to work 10 hours a day, but as long as you meet the target. So it gives you flexibility and autonomy. You get to manage your schedule, you get to manage your time. And lastly is that being a medical representative gives an opportunity for continuous learning. Being at the forefront, you'll get to know or understand medical advancement quite easily and fast. Also, you'll get to learn of new products in the market before even it gets out there to the other practitioners or professionals in other work settings. Let's talk about the growth opportunities in this particular field. What are the growth opportunities in this particular field? Number one is career advancement. You can start out as a medical sales representative or a sales representative, as they are commonly known, but climb up the ladder to roles like a regional sales manager or product specialist. So there's that path for career advancement. Number two is that this role will give you an opportunity to build the entrepreneurial spirit in you. If you look at some of the most successful distributors in the country, or even local manufacturers, they began as medical sales representatives back in the days. and that gave them the skills they needed to set up their ventures, and it translated into success. So working as a medical sales representative gives you that opportunity to build that entrepreneurial skill that you may later decide to deploy in your own venture or in your own business and become successful. And finally, is the financial rewards that this opportunity gives you. Most medical representatives earn lots of their money through commissions. Commissions come about when you meet your targets, your sales targets. You meet your targets, you're given commissions. So it offers you that opportunity to earn as much as you can, as long as you're able to sell and meet the target. So there you have it. If you're a pharmacist and you're exploring opportunities beyond the conventional space of practice, beyond the four walls of a retail pharmacy, beyond the four walls of a wholesale or distributorship, and beyond the walls of a hospital setup, then being a medical representative could just be it for you. Especially if you have strong people skills, you're good at communication, and you're able to convince people to buy products, then this is a role that you can easily excel in. You can give it a try and see how it works out. Thanks for joining us today on the Medical Hub. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe for more career insights. And let's catch up in the next video. Bye bye.